empty bottles on the table, fireworks smoke still in the air, cardigans on plastic chairs, up here in the mountain cold. Jeepney sleeping by the corner, lanterns trembling in the breeze, Baguio roofs like scattered candles, fading stars between the trees. Here's to what we promised when the old year finally broke. In the dawnlit mist of Baguio, breath like prayer in every joke. We were laughing, we were crying on this Cordillera ridge. Raise your glass to what we promised and the days we haven't lived. Choir songs still in our voices, glitter stuck on someone's cheek, coffee cooling in the thermos, happy plans we barely speak. Fog rolls low across the houses, roosters calling from afar, phones are full of blurry faces, hearts are holding who we are. Here's to what we promised when the old year finally broke. In the dawnlit mist of Baguio, breath like prayer in every joke. We were laughing, we were crying on this Cordillera ridge. Raise your glass to what we promised. We said we'd get braver, we said we'd forgive, we swore we'd drink deeper of the one short life we live. So here in the pale blue morning, with this hangover of hope, we toast the roads we're taking and the ones that let us grow. Here's to what we promised when the old year finally broke. In the dawnlit mist of Baguio, breath like prayer in every joke.